A very, very good morning, everyone. I, Simran Senani, a part of our firm BAF Consultants, welcome you
Good
all. Good
morning.
morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning. I welcome you all to the Family Council Journey webinar today. Thank you so much for taking out the time and attending this webinar. We believe that all families, businesses, and teams have an unwritten constitution, and we at BAF facilitate discovery, creation, and implementation of family constitutions. Now I'll quickly share with you some instructions for smooth functioning of this webinar. So first of all, of course, I would request all of you to kindly put your videos and audios off. And whenever we want to talk to you, we will unmute you. The host Rashi is going to be unmuting you. There are a few more guidelines. I am sure you all must have attended a lot of webinars in the lockdown and post the same. So if you can just quickly go through them, and then we can, get started with the webinar. So this is an important one, that if you have any lag, you are experiencing any lag from your end, then please try exiting and rejoining. And you could also consider using your earphones or headphones for better quality. And one request to everyone, that please rename yourself if you haven't done so already. And if you wish to remain anonymous today, that's also a choice. You could just send your name and organization's name privately to the host Rashi. And now I would like to hand over to Anil so that we can begin with the webinar. Over to you, Anil.
So thank you so much, Simran, and a very good morning to all of you. It's a Saturday, and you all have made a conscious choice to invest your time and energy into deepening your understanding. So both, I would like to acknowledge you for your openness to learn and expand, and also express my gratitude. Now, Simran shared with you that we believe all families have unwritten constitutions, and we help in discovery, creation, and implementation. I think implementation is what this workshop or this webinar is all about. And in that context, we have created, based on our learning of last 20 years, and I don't know how many months we have taken in terms of documenting our learnings at the family level, to create a book called Family Council Handbook, or a manual. I'll quickly share with you that this is the handbook which we have kind of prepared, and we would be gifting this handbook to all our old clients. So today we have in the audience primarily our old clients and guests of Avendus. So those guests of Avendus also who would want this book, we will be happy to gift you. This book details all the implementation challenges of on the family side. Just give me a moment, I'll mute my phone. My apologies for this error. So this book documents all the implementation challenges. Now, constitution is more like just India ki constitution, we have the Indian constitution. And then in implementing, what all challenges come and how people make errors and how those errors can be overcome, that is all in this handbook. So this 52-page handbook has a lot of details. As I said a little while ago, it documents our 20 years experience of all our partners and the team at BAF, and months of our labor in terms of putting it into a book form. And that, some part of that, or the essential part of that, we are going to share with you in the next hour or so, and then we can have some Q&As also. So this webinar is just to prepare you to get interested in reading this and making use of this, what we consider as a very valuable resource. So let me come back to the presentation. This book would be emailed to all of you who would show your interest in the same. And if you are interested, straight away you can write it down in the chat box, and Rashi will take note of it, saying yes, yes for FCH, yes dash FCH. And Rashi would ensure that this reaches all of you. So let me go. Any questions up to this point? You can use the chat box if you have any questions on the Family Council Handbook. So while you are responding, again, this is the essence of how to implement the family side. See, the business side of the Constitution is implemented by Family Business Board, the family side by the Family Constitution. Oh, the Family Council, sorry. Okay, so let's move forward. The agenda for this webinar. It will briefly talk about why Family Council. Now, many of you would be already aware of it. Maybe this will be a deepening or expansion, little bit expansion. What is a Family Council again? I would say this would be little bit expansion. How Family Council works. I think यहाँ पर हम अपना time invest करेंगे कि what are the implementation issues which you should consider. So पूरी handbook को तो we won't be able to share with you, but the essence of it. And then finally, what next? So you have two options. This handbook can help you create and implement your family council by yourself. And it also gives you the opportunity that if you want a coach in terms of a BAF coach, we can help you in smooth implementation, building you inside capability to implement this. So this is the broad agenda. Let's get going. First, as to why a family council? So I would say there are 4 whys for family council. First is, it's a fact of life that family dynamics impact the business. Yes or no? Family में जो होता है, family की जो relationships हैं, whether people work in the business or not, it does impact. Next is personal development of family members. So this is an ongoing journey and an important part. Ki life will keep testing us. So how do we develop that? Third is strengthening our communication skills. And fourth is strengthening alignment. So Family Council as a platform works on these 4 areas. And essentially, it works on nurturing the emotional maturity. If all these 4 things again are to be summarized in one thing, it is लोगों की wisdom कैसे बढ़े. So थोड़ा सा detail में if we go, bedroom impacts the boardroom. Yes or no? I can give you some examples. One of my clients, उन्हें एक acquisition opportunity थी outside of the country. And one of the family sons was required, who was working on that acquisition opportunity, कि वो relocate हो, acquisition close होने वाला था. And his wife was pregnant and expecting their first child. तो वाइफ नहीं चाहती है कि जाए, बेटे की इच्छा है कि मैं जाऊं. Now, this clearly is having an impact on the business. Another example, a spouse, उसको एंजाइटी अटैक्स होते हैं. Will it impact the performance of the son in business or not? In fact, I would urge you all कि let this be an interactive session. You can share your examples. I'll pause for a moment, any one of you, through the chat box, कि कैसे you are seeing कि family business को impact कर रही है. I would urge you, request you to share your perspective on this. No response? भाई पुराना तरीका होता था कि educator or is somebody who is sage on the stage. अब जो नया तरीका है वो ये है कि the educator is a guide by your side. और हम आप लोगों से भी सीखते हैं. So my request would be to share your experiences also. Coming back to our folklore, रामायण में क्या हुआ था? थोड़ी देर के लिए मंथरा ने कैकेयी को, उसके माइंड को ब्रेन वॉश किया. And then the next day the kingdom got disrupted and Lord had to go out. Okay. Vikram, I understand. So you may not be telling about yourself. You may not. अपने एग्जाम्पल्स चाहे मत दीजिए, अपने आसपास के एग्जाम्पल्स दीजिए कि इट डस हैपन. ठीक है. अब जैसे चारुदत्त is saying that expectations and disappointments, disagreements between father and son. अब ये प्रॉब्लम रिलेशनशिप वाले हैं. So it does impact. Let's go to, and if we don't address it, I think how do we address it effectively? That is what the family council does. Then development of family members. Now, जब मैं यहाँ development की बात कर रहा हूँ तो I am not talking about more knowledge, more information. I believe all of us have enough knowledge, enough wisdom. The question is, when the time comes to apply it, we tend to forget. It is not deep enough. It is superficial. और इस दुनिया की माया में हम उलझ जाते हैं. It is mature people who remain undisturbed when life tests you. So billions or trillions of dollars are invested in education, and there is so much of knowledge. But उस नॉलेज का एप्लीकेशन के लिए जो विजडम चाहिए उसको नर्चर करता है फैमिली काउंसिल. देन all family members, do you agree that spouses, our children, daughters these days, because they also are educated, and many of them have aspirations and parents want them in business or otherwise also, they should have a basic understanding of wealth, business, accounts, taxation. Yes or no? फिर से मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि yes or no, would you want your wife or your daughter कि ऐसा हो कि नहीं हो? I definitely want my wife and my two daughters to understand this, so that God forbid if I'm not there, they should have the confidence, they should not have fear, they should not be taken for a ride. I trust my children will not be taken for a ride. I have a wonderful family. But कोई और भी उनको ride पे नहीं ले जाए. So to that extent, this is a must, and family council can ensure this. And it is one of the prime functions of family council. The third why is communication. Now, how good or adept are you at communication? How well are you able to communicate? What you feel, what you think, what you say is understood by the other person the way you want. And not one person, but everybody around you. How adept are you at that? Or this requires constant practice. You want, जैसे हमारी health अच्छी है, but still we need to walk. You know, the muscles are good, but if I want to strengthen them, I need to go to the gym. Otherwise, it will deteriorate. So communication, I think, is one of the most fundamental skills which requires constant honing. So what do you see in this picture? I would request you all to quickly respond. What do you see in this picture? Again, out of control elephant. और कुछ भाई? Out of control elephant के अलावा, I am saying in the context of communication. This picture is kind of in the context of communication and emotions. So emotions are like the elephant. They are far more powerful than the rider. So when the elephant is quiet, when the emotions are quiet, the rider can manage the elephant. But when there is a surge of emotions, that, then the rider, our reason doesn't work. And the elephant can kill the reason. And then we will communicate all kinds of things which we don't want to, or which are opposite to what we want, or which will further damage. So learning to manage the emotions, constantly, like, players, they constantly work. They know the game, but still they keep working. और उसके बावजूद विराट कोहली 0 पे आउट हो जाता है, despite all that practice. So similarly, whatever you may practice, I have been practicing consciously for past 22 years, and yet I do falter in communication. So it requires constant honing, and family council provides that. Finally, the fourth why of alignment. What do I mean by alignment? Or what do, again, request to all of you to respond. What do you mean by alignment? And this is the most critical, even more critical than communication. That the word alignment. And this is the crux of the work which we do at BAF Consultants. So what do you understand by alignment? Not pulling in opposite directions, okay? Having some common vision. So, bilkul sahi, Dinesh ji, common vision, creates alignment. Obviously, if we are pulling in opposite directions, it is misalignment. What else? Why we should stay together, okay? So, the why provides unity of purpose, does provide alignment. So alignment is definitely not equality. Family में कई बार झमेला होता है equality का. जबकि, when our 5 fingers are not equal, you see these stones, they are not equal. So it's not equality that is required. What is required is how do they work together? Having a healthy recognition of roles of different people, I think most of your answers are around that. But let me take you first still to a different level, that alignment has two planes. First is alignment within myself. I could be misaligned. You would have all heard split personalities, or you would have heard, how is this person behaving? He's not the same person, or so, there are times as if there are multiple people within us. I say that, महाभारत के सारे कैरेक्टर्स हमारे अंदर है, और एक महाभारत बाहर होती है और एक महाभारत हमारे अंदर होती है. एंड सेकेंड इज अलाइनमेंट विथ अदर्स. जब ये दोनों अलाइनमेंट्स होते हैं तो मैजिक होता है. एंड दैट इज व्हाट फैमिली काउंसिल डज. Now, how do you create alignment within yourself? We have our different needs: physical needs, safety needs, emotional needs, esteem needs. And sometimes these needs come in conflict. I need to go to the gym, and my wife or some guest has come in, and I need to be with him. So there, I'm giving you a very petty, mundane example. Or my brother's business is floundering, I need to support him, but I have been supporting for long and he's consistently losing money. So I need to instill sense in him. So the brother part of me says that support him, but the reason part of me says कि यार ये तो ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. So first I need to resolve it within myself. Similarly, there are difference in my values. My values of hard work, or my values of discipline, and that values of discipline and freedom, at times they come in conflict. कि मैं आज exercise नहीं कर रहा हूं, is it because of laziness? Or नहीं, is it because someone has come in and my sense of, or my need for connecting with that person or respecting that person is coming in the way. Then the third dimension is of goals. My goals may come in conflict. मेरा एक गोल कह रहा है कि बिजनेस को बहुत बढ़ाना है, मेरा दूसरा गोल कह रहा है कि मुझे रिस्क नहीं लेना है. These goals need to be aligned. Then the plans which I have, they need to be aligned. Then my behaviors, what I say and what I do, they need to be aligned. So I have conflicting behaviors. I don't want to get angry. I do get angry. And at times anger is required. So these resolutions अपने अंदर करने की जरूरत है. So these are the 5 dimensions. So before I align with others, I need to align within myself, and then with others also. What are the needs of other family members? What are their values? So then we come together to form our common values. And if values come in conflict, how will we align them? How would we balance them? What are our goals? What are our plans? What are our behaviors? To me, this alignment is the measure of, or the other side of the communication. Communication is the means and alignment is the ends. So these are the 5 whys, very important functions which the family council performs. I wouldn't go through them again. Just a quick kind of reminder for all of you before we go to the next system. Ashok ji very well said, alignment is equal to congruence. Very well said. Completely agreed. Let's go to the next section as to what is a family council. We will cover what is a family council under 3 dimensions. First, it is a platform. Who all are its members? And what important roles are there in the family council. Under what we look at it from these three lenses. It is a platform. Family council एक platform है जहां पर जो हमने तीनों चीज पहले कही कि communication skills are strengthened, alignment is strengthened, learning and development of family members is honed on issues of family, only family issues. It has got nothing to do with business, like ghar. You know, recently we worked with a family, mother and two daughters-in-law. Kitchen was an issue. You know, who calls shots in the kitchen? And it had created so much distress in the family. So, and it was impacting the business. So family issues, it was a purely family issue, but it was having an impact on business. And there can be other, like, you know, a son, compensation. What compensation do we give him? So mother is concerned about it. It's a business issue, but it impacts the family. So such issues which have an impact, inter-impact between family and business, these issues are discussed, alignment is forged through communication and expansion of family members. Who all are the members of family council? Generally, in all families, it is people above a specific age. Zyadatar families mein it is 18 years. Some families make it 16 years also. Then there are two categories of people who may or may not be included. One is married daughters and sons-in-law. So some families exclude both married daughters and sons-in-law. But as the society is changing, you know, we have seen families involving married daughters also, some families, and GMR families though has made son-in-law not even part of the family council, but even part of the family business. So this is about the membership. Now there are three important roles in a family council. First is the head of the family council, the family council CEO. Here CEO stands for Chief Emotional Officer. Then, so family council CEO is like the chairman of the family council or the chief executive or the chief emotional officer. But like in companies, the role of managing director and the chairman is segregated. We see and we recommend that family meetings are led by family council moderator. So moderator should be separate from the family CEO. And this moderator position should be rotated so that all family members get opportunity to learn, develop, and contribute to the effectiveness of family council. And third role is of the family council coach. Is the pace okay? I just want to take a pause and would request you all to please respond. मैं बहुत fast तो नहीं चल रहा हूं. So I have one response, yes, yes. किसी को कोई, let me ask, does anyone have discomfort with the pace? किसी को discomfort है, ज़्यादा slow है? Okay, so till now, no discomfort. Let me get into each of these roles. So what do you see in the picture in terms of the family CEO? I would keep pushing you for, you know, your responses. Okay, Pankaj is saying speed. up a bit. Okay. So in the picture, deliberately we have kept a motherly figure, but it need not be a mother only. The person with highly emotional quotient, जिसके अंदर सबसे ज्यादा सेवा का भाव हो, the person who is willing to become the servant leader, who has enormous reservoir of compassion within the heart, that person is ideally the best person to be the family CEO. And उस CEO का high level पे काम ये है that he or she sees that the family council is working effectively. He or she is watching from the distance, going through the family constitution, the family council handbook, how meetings are happening, how relationships are playing. So this is a person who is taking a big picture, big view picture from the top. The next is the moderator. Now, moderator is essentially responsible for ensuring that meetings are effective, productive. Otherwise, these meetings die down, होती ही नहीं है. तो अच्छी meetings करने के लिए lot of time and effort is required, and this is what this moderator does. More specifically, what should be the agenda? What agenda would interest the participants, their needs, or around those 3 needs which I said in the beginning. Then what kind of pre-work they should do? Kya video dekh karke aaye? Kya padh karke aaye? So people should come prepared for the meeting. Then not only that agenda is circulated, but ensure, nudge, support. क्या कर सकते हैं? ये सिंपल चीजें हैं. अगर कोई पढ़ के नहीं आता है, भाई आपको पता है, if this person is little reluctant to read, can you ask somebody to explain him? Or can a joint session be done? So some kind of facilitation or nudging would be required. Then yourself being top on the agenda. Each family council meeting has some learning agenda. So you have done that very well, read it, understood it deeply. Then organize the meeting logistics, whether it is tea, coffee, lunch, if it is a virtual meeting, connections, meetings invite, and all those things going on time. Then creating a safe space for free expression. Now, we are all of us inside, अंदर में हम लोग टेंडर हैं. तो बात कहते हुए झिझकते हैं, इसको बुरा तो नहीं लगेगा. So creating that safe space is the responsibility of the moderator. Then one of the things which is very important for development of people is nurturing. जैसे माली पौधों को पानी देता है, like a gardener gives water to plants. Similarly, appreciation is like nurturing or watering. So we all are so much blessed. So many good things are happening. Why not create in family council opportunities for appreciation of what well is happening, what all people have done, accomplished, acknowledge them. Then if people are going too fast and you are finding some people, if one person is going fast and the other person is unable to match the speed, then it is important that we slow down. Quantity se zyada important quality hai. Do you all agree? That instead of doing 10 things, let us do 5 things, but we do them very well. Do you all agree? Now here is my dilemma. How do I know that we are connected? Yes karne mein, why karne mein? Okay. So I have got 4 yeses. Would request for others also. Next is ensure agenda completion. So now coming back to quantity also, that let us ensure that the agenda items are completed. And finally, once the entire thing has been done, so what are the action points? What all did we agree? And then taking the feedback. What went well and what could have been done better? So these are some of the things which family council moderator has to develop the ability. And one by one, all family members develop this ability. It will go an enormous way in achieving the family council's objectives, the 4 whys which we discussed. Next, we come to the role of family council coach, and this is where BAF consultants comes in. So we help initially, till the family develops this capability to do in planning. So what will be the family council plan for the year and the quarter? What will be the budget? What are the activities we will do? And what will be the calendar? This, discussed in the family council and it gets approved. So like his family is going on a family retreat. 3 दिन की होगी, 5 दिन की होगी, कब होगी, कैलेंडर इसी schedule नहीं होंगे. So planning it at least in a year in advance. So creating that entire plan and then getting it approved. Then when the agenda is being created or when the feedback is being discussed, this is kind of used to improvise the quality of family council meetings. This is done with the family council moderator and the family CEO. Next is the training. Now, training may we facilitate family council meetings for n number of times as the family might require till the moderator, they get that sense. Then family council handbook and family constitution, understanding of that needs to deepen. So training in all of them. We have a training program for moderators also. Then when new family council members join in, like a daughter-in-law comes in the family, or a child grows up and becomes part of the family council. So training them on the family council handbook and the constitution. Then their induction in the meetings in the family council, training the moderators. Third is sustaining. So there are tools annually which you will find in the handbook, that how do we assess the health of our family council? Where are the gaps and where are the areas of improvement? So identifying them and then discussing it with the family council, and when the family council approves, implementing them. Family council coach also plays the role of the family council secretary as envisaged in the family council, in the family constitution. तो जितना secretarial काम होता है कि all the documents, agenda item, pre-reads, minutes of the meeting, all documents which are related are organized and made accessible to all people. Getting people block their calendars, coordinating meeting logistics initially in the beginning, then nudging and supporting. So there is an overlap between moderator and the secretarial role. The secretarial role, if the moderator wants, could support that. Now, my question to all of you: what is family council in terms of the 3 dimensions which I said? A platform, then membership, And finally, the three roles. I think the most important perhaps part was of the three roles. So on these roles, the role of the family council CEO, moderator, and family council coach. In your opinion, how important are these three roles? Are all three roles required? Are two roles required? Or can one person do all of this? Response from all of you. Yes, roles will overlap because everybody, see, the end objective is the same. So there is an overlap, but then there is sharper focus also. Vikas says one person can't do it. What about others? More the better. Three roles are better, but depends on the size. Very well said, Pankaj. If the family is small, maybe two roles could work. Anyone else? Yeah, better to have separate. CEO and moderator can be same. Okay, now my question to you, if these three roles do their job well, is that enough or something more is required? This is a little difficult one. अगर ये तीनों लोग अपना अच्छे से काम करें, still something more is required or this is enough for excellent work. जैसे मोदी जी कहते हैं आत्मनिर्भर भारत में, now we are talking of an India which is world class. So if like Indian families are example for the world, is this three enough or something more is required? Wow, wow, wow. Ashok ji, you have hit the nail on the head. It is the all FC members. तीन जने नहीं कर पाएंगे, तीन जन जिम्मेदारी ले रहे हैं, but they cannot ensure health, happiness, effectiveness of all family members. सबका कॉन्ग्रुएंस हो, सबका अलाइनमेंट कंप्लीट हो, वो अकेले नहीं कर पाएंगे. This would require involvement of all. Thank you so much, Ashok ji. You have hit the nail on the head. So this is time for a stretch break. Important. 45 मिनट हमने लगा दिए हैं. So I would say let us have, it is 11:14. Let us reassemble. We will start sharply at 11:20. Stretch come loo break. So welcome back. This takes us to the third part of our agenda as to how family council works. So we discussed why, what, अब how पे चलते हैं. So this is about how decisions are taken in family council. Family council meetings, what is their duration and what frequency they should be held. Again, different families have chosen different methods, but what we are recommending in this handbook is our experience of 160 plus families. Based on that, what we think is the best duration and frequency. Agenda planning and execution, we have already discussed this as part of the role of moderator. So you might find a little bit of repetition here. Then what are the norms which family councils follow? Now, there is always debate between freedom and norms or discipline rules. So I personally believe both are important and they are not in conflict. Having few norms is important. If you have too many norms, people struggle to implement them, to enforce them. So what are some fundamental norms which we think you could include in your family council? Then a sample agenda. How do you create agenda for your family council? So decision making, how decisions are taken in a family. So I was giving you that example of the family where there was problem of kitchen, and it had grown to such level that the brothers didn't want, but they realized that they don't have an option, but one brother should move out of the home so that mother will live with one daughter-in-law and the other daughter-in-law, like 3 ladies, will not be under the same kitchen. Now, how do you arrive at this decision? Seemingly it is a small decision and trivial or not so important. But then it took 2 months and all of them happily converged to this decision, that how they will go about implementing it. So decision making in family में force नहीं की जाती है, and voting typically doesn't work in family council. Family business board, many people resort to voting, but not in the family council. Here, consensus is consciously worked upon. Now, if consensus is not achieved, then the decision is left to what people call a council of elders. 2-3 wise people in the family. Whatever they say, we will abide by it. So this is how decisions are taken in a family council. What should be the duration and frequency? Most of the constitutions which we have created, people have gone for meeting in 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, 4 months. Personally, and based on our research of our own clients and outside also, and little bit of forward thinking, we recommend that the hours of meeting can be reduced. So instead of a full day meeting or a 4-hour meetings, the meeting can be made 2-3 hours, but it needs to happen more frequently. And we would recommend every month, because the agenda or the role which family council plays is extremely important, and it cannot happen in once in a while meetings. Now, to do a 2-3 hour good meeting, there is prior lot of work to be done by the moderator, the CEO, and the coach. So maybe an 1 hour meeting between the moderator and the coach for planning the agenda, the pre-work, what happened in the last meeting, the follow-up. An hour of meeting or half an hour, maybe once in 2 months, with the family CEO as to, how he is sensing things from the distance. And the moderator and the CEO need to discuss with family members on issues of alignment, communication, and development. So, in meeting, decisions would be taken. Implementation तो बाद में होता है ना. और अच्छी मीटिंग करने के लिए this prior work is extremely important. So these meetings are required. So I would say 1 day of moderator in a month, if you are having monthly meetings, would be required. 1 day of the coach may be required, and maybe half a day of the family CEO. So this is just a typical estimate. Depending upon the size of the family, this would vary. So I think this part I will just let you read through, because we have discussed this in the role of moderator. So before the family council meeting, this is what is required to be done. On the day of the meeting, start with the family core purpose, maybe with a song, bhajan, itni shakti hame dena data, sabka bhala ho, sabka mangal ho, some prayer. Then agenda, how is the agenda and what was the feedback on the action points of the last meeting. So ensuring that you remain on the agenda, whatever action was done is updated to the entire council. At the end of it, we take the feedback. After the feedback, you analyze what people have filled, and people or the moderator shares his learning, what he's learning as a moderator, and individuals also, what did they get out of this meeting. Now, this is a lot of discipline, and it will build gradually. And if you are getting intimidated by what all I am saying, I wouldn't be surprised. But the good news is it will happen gradually. And that is where the skill of the CEO, the three key players, involved, will go a long way. What are the sample meeting norms? Meetings start and end on time. I think nobody would disagree with them. Just go through them. If 80% attendance. Now, this is a very important thing, that, how important is family council, and should we have a rule around attendance? I personally feel that it should be there, because this is an extremely important platform doing an extremely important job. If someone needs to be absent, he needs to inform. If he or she doesn't inform and violates, there is some kind of push-up. Then late arrival, early departure would be counted as absence. Speak directly, no backbiting. I think this one piece goes a long, long way in terms of the norms. And this is not just the meeting norms. This is the family council norms. And if there is any breach, it needs to be reported to the family council CEO. So have few norms, but implementation, ensure that it is done 100%. This is your agenda. Sample, I will not get into the specifics of the agenda, but 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes. If you plan this, then I think the kind of seriousness, the kind of attention, the kind of quality which would happen So, and again, some of these things you could just copy them. The moderator or the CEO welcomes. लोगों से simple पूछ लो यार, is anything holding you back? Anything, even if it is not related to FC or its members. And make a note of it. We will discuss it in the afterward. Become silent through prayer, through reflection. Then FC issues may, is there anything which is bothering you? Please so give time to people to make a note of their कि इस समय मुझे इस रूम में बैठे हुए any FC member से, if there is an issue which I cannot resolve today and it is not part of the agenda, ensure that it is included in the parking lot. And I'll come to the parking lot, something which would be done. Then a 30 minutes update sharing on, what am I pursuing in my life? What has worked well? अच्छा लोगों ने क्या किया? There could be some celebration. If I'm experiencing some challenges, what is the support I need? Parking lot, issues. I think I'll address parking lot here. It is an ongoing list of items available to all family council members. So it's a board. Anyone having an issue can write it down that I want this issue to be resolved. Any member can add it. And when the agenda is being planned, or the family council moderator or the family council CEO or the family council coach will take note of that. And if it is required to be resolved offline, it will be resolved offline between people. And if it is to be resolved in the meeting, it will be taken up in the family council meeting. So agenda mein, we could quickly go through the parking lot. Then, a learning session. Then any issues like, a business update. So that is being done, or learning of accounts, basics of finance. Then the next meeting date, who will be the lead for learning session, any issues, a little bit again, if it is to be taken up, and then the summarizing feedback. So if it is done like this, it will raise its effectiveness hugely. Finally, every year, once a year, a health survey of the family council is done. Like we get our books of account audited to see the health of the business. This is a health of not only business, but the software, the soft capital of the family. So this survey throws up, causes for celebration and also areas for further to work upon. So this was about how the family council works. We covered around decision making, family council meetings, agenda planning, execution. What next? Any questions up to this point on how family council works? किसी का कोई सवाल? या तो भाई बहुत ही बढ़िया जा रहा है या बहुत ही खराब जा रहा है. No questions unnerves me. So then let me ask you a question. What next? First, do you think you need to set up or strengthen your family council? And even if you are a professional, at one level, I'm part of a joint family. Many of you already know, but at other level, in Delhi, I live with my 2 daughters. And we have our small council also. Okay. I have got 7 responses would request others also to express yourself. Okay. Would urge some more of you to respond. So Ajay ji says yes, Dhruv and Gopal say yes, Siddharth ji yes, Radhika yes, Arjun yes, Vikas Agarwal, Vikas Duggar, Charu Dutt, Anil Rathi ji says yes. Vikram ji says, how long does it typically take a FC to stabilize? I would say, it will depend upon the current health of the family. So it's very contextual. In certain cases, it could be very smooth and it can happen quickly. But I think in majority of the cases, stabilization, I would think one should look for at least a year. तब तक सबको ये understanding तो हो. Okay, Manoj says yes and Ashok says yes. Next question from me to you. Can you do it by yourself or you need a family council coach? In terms of creating this, can it be done by yourself? I would say think about this. This is critical. We are happy, and I think at some level, this family council handbook is a token of gratitude from our side, and we have shared everything what we have in this book on the family council side. So, think about this question. So with this, from my side, I am done and the floor is open for questions. You can raise your hands and I think the moderator or the host will unmute you, or Rashi, they can unmute themselves.
No, Anilji. They can drop a message on text and I'll unmute them.
Okay. Or they can just raise their hand.
Yeah, that will also work.
So anyone having any questions, please let us know through the chat box.
Mohanlal Bhandari ji has raised his hand.
Yeah. So
I'll unmute him.
You can both raise your hand or send your questions on the chat also. Yes, Mohanji.
Mohanji, I've sent you a request to unmute yourself.
Mohanji.
Anilji, in the meantime, can we take the question of Vikas ji?
Okay. So Vikas is saying, you mentioned in case of disagreement, matter goes to 2-3 elders. Many times the gap is intergeneration thinking. Vikas, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप that if there is difference in thinking and if there is difference in thinking in terms of generation, and if the issue is deep, then it requires lot of skill and facilitation. और थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं आप सबको याद दिलाना चाहूंगा कि Mahabharat, the celebrated epic of our country, in that also, when there is a difference or there is a conflict, in this case, despite God being the facilitator, he couldn't resolve it, or he chose not to resolve it. वो ये दिखाना चाहते हैं कि संसार में कई बार नहीं भी होगा. So decision making, I went to the extreme example, but in most of the cases, हमारा experience ये है कि this would require facilitation. क्योंकि between both generations, the common thing, this will not be resolved through decision making. This will be resolved through both parties agreeing for facilitation, where somebody will create alignment between their needs, create understanding of each other's feelings, and help them discover a specific way where needs of both generations are met. विकास, you can unmute yourself और मेरे से बातचीत कर सकते हो कि मैं थ्योरी की बात कर रहा हूं, मेरा आंसर क्लियर है या मैं एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझाऊं? विकास?
Yeah, so example would be better. Example would be better, like
Okay.
in terms of facilitation, you said.
Sure. So let me give you that example. अभी top of the mind वही आ रहा है कि this is not between intergeneration. This is, I would say, the easier one, or not easier. Within the generation भी issue तो वही है ना. तो when these two brothers who didn't want to live in separate houses, one brother, because of the intense conflict between the ladies, was of the view कि वहां पे मेहनत करने में बहुत दिक्कत जाएगी और बहुत टाइम और एनर्जी हम लोग खो चुके हैं. So one of us moves out of this house and I am ready to move out happily. The other brother was of the view that आप बाहर नहीं जाओ, मैं बाहर जाऊं. So of the larger problem, I am kind of converting into a smaller problem. The question was, who should move out of the home? They have already agreed कि एक घर में नहीं रह सकते हैं. ये पहले तो एग्रीमेंट ये हुआ कि एक घर में अब हम लोग और रहने का प्रयास नहीं करें. लेकिन घर से बाहर कौन जाए, इसमें there was misalignment. One brother was saying, I am happy with either. And the other brother was confused. He wanted कि यार मैं बाहर जाऊंगा, मैं छोटा हूं, तो this घर, मेरे बेटे की शादी होने वाली है. There were 10 reasons why he shouldn't go. He didn't want the elder brother to go. So he was stuck. So we helped him first resolve in his mind, and then between the two brothers. And finally, happily, both brothers came to an agreement. When this came for execution, because immediately overnight you cannot create a house. So a rented house was found out. When the brother went there, the mother fell sick और उसको फिर guilt होने लगी. So these are the emotional issues, the elephant and the rider. So ये capability building, ये thinking का issue है. I think all people basically, we focus on the differences where we need to focus that both sides are committed to each other, and a robust solution would be one in which needs of both sides are met. Because does this give you some clarity? Or otherwise, offline, I can discuss this with you. So if there is a deadlock between family council members, Vikas Dugar has asked, so I have responded to that also. So are we done with this? Rashi, are we done?
Anilji, Siddharthji also had a question.
Yeah, Siddharthji, please go ahead.
He has mentioned it in the chat.
Okay, just a moment.
Yeah.
Who all contribute to drawing up the agenda? Siddharthji, this is primarily done I would say one is from the parking lot if it is a mature family council. It comes from the annual plan also. And if it is a new family council, then again, I would say the family CEO and moderator initially have to play a larger role in terms of creating this. And this they will do by involving others. Anil Rathiji has mentioned a very deep point. Let go is most difficult, and that is important. Anilji, I cannot agree more with you. कि कई बार छोड़ करके हम ज्यादा पा लेते हैं, पकड़ करके हम जो पाना चाहते हैं उससे बहुत कुछ ज्यादा हम, और पकड़ने से शायद हम बहुत कुछ ज्यादा खो देते हैं. Now this realization, और जो मैं इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी की बात कर रहा था वो मैं इसी की तरफ बात कर रहा था. So I think with this we are done. Thank you so much. It was our pleasure and privilege to have you all with us. I think this recording most likely would be put on our website. There are other recordings also if any one of you are interested. Would recommend you all if this interests you. And the Family Council Handbook, those of you who are interested, please go through it. It was extremely valuable. Thank you so much and have a great day.